naisip ko na concepts tsaka plano.
Really?
It will never replace Pal Tonight. Pakiusap lang, sofa, get right. Siyempre, hindi matutumbasan yung mga babies ko na yan. Pero magle-level up talaga tayo.
I'm scared. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Forever Here. I hope that you are all doing well. I couldn't let today go without a video, could I? Let me squeeze this in. Firstly, thank you so much to everybody that turned up to the live stream just now with Chuck. That was so much fun, and I'm really sorry that I didn't get to interact with you more, but if I'm going to do lives on my own channel, then we'll get to talk a lot more very soon, I promise, and I really look forward to it. Now, this morning I was tagged in this. So this is a Josh Cullen TikTok live, and it's been subbed. I haven't seen a Josh live before. This should be an interesting experience. Also, I wonder if he's going to let me know some juicy gossip through this. Do you want to watch it with me? Where is he? Is he in a car?
Mag-stream ka ngayon? Ano tawag ba rito? Hindi ba stream to?
Gosh, she's so beautiful.
Tinatanong ko mag-stream ako? Hindi. Hindi ba stream to? Kailan kayo mag-London? Oy, London.
What's that for? Is there an answer to the question? I'm hoping that that was positive. The tongue on the
Aurora
teeth was
Fest.
positive.
Kailan may Aurora Fest?
April.
Lost track na ako.
April 6th, I think. I love his face shape. It's a really weird thing to say.
Kung matutuloy Outlast yung banu ni Pablo.
Pablo's a
daming
dimwit.
dahilan. Tatakot lang yun. Takot.
What are they talking about? Games?
Top 4. Ako Josh. Uy, Apple. Mafi. Jaya. Thank you. So yung mga yan, means na parang nako-convert siya, no?
Has he not figured it out either? Stell needs to give them all the tutorial. Look how thick his hair is. It's crazy.
Sinosolidify ko lang kumbaga. Kasi perfectionist din ako eh. Yun ang nagiging problema ko nga eh. Minsan pag nag-overthink ka, mas hindi pa gumaganda. Alam mo yun? Kailangan ano ka lang, chill ka lang. So I try to be parang mas laid back lang for my next song siguro. Hindi laid back pero more on not the usual Josh.
So a ballad. Am I really gonna get a ballad?
Uy, ang cute naman ng bunny na yun. Pag naglaro kayo, sali nyo naman si Ken. Kasi hindi nag-PC game si Ken.
Force him.
Siya.
He doesn't have time.
Kung naglalaro siya eh. Dati kasi Dota laro namin. Ngayon hindi na ata siya masyadong naglalaro ng ng PC. Ako naman hindi ako masyadong nagpa-phone na. PUBG ata laro nilalakin. Kumain ka na sob. Kumain na naman.
Tell us what you ate.
Just may chance na magpunta kayo sa Capiz. Lahat may chance. Nakapagpunta na kami sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo. Sa inyo pa kaya? Josh, marunong ka ba magluto? Kapag ako nagluto para sa'yo, ma-in love ka kaagad. Magaling ako magluto, di ako magaling mag-bake. Ayan na, setting expectations. Hindi kasi ako nagbe-bake. Dahil wala naman kaming oven before. Pero marunong ako magluto at mas marunong ako sa luto.
They're already self-sufficient.
Pero alam ko yung mga basics, di ba?
I love his mood during this.
Anong genre ng next song ko?
Ooh.
Secret. Ba't ko sasabihin? Alam na ng mga nasa supporters ko yun. Though unpredictable naman ako minsan. Meron din ako mga hindi pa nilalabas. Anong specialty ko?
The fact that he's talking about it makes me think that he's already got it. Like it's ready to go at any moment.
Sinigang siguro yung pinaka-proud ako na niluluto ko. Siguro kasi yun din yung isa sa mga favorite ko na pagkain eh. Pag Pinoy siguro, alam mo yun, hindi ko rin alam ba't mahilig tayo sa maasim eh.
That's interesting because I don't think I eat much sour food. I'm so desperate to try all this stuff.
Iba kasi talaga ang sinigang. So, mas magaling ka magluto kay Stella. Ano yun eh? Preference yan eh. Magluluto ako matagal na. As in, matagal na ako nagluluto. Bata pa na ako nagluluto na ako.
Years old.
So, confident ako sa pagluluto ko.
I love that. He's not gonna pit himself against Stella.
Yung mas magaling o hindi, there's no such thing as
it depends on your palate.
Unless, depende ko ano yung mas trip mo.
Yeah.
Luto ng Josh. Tama. Pero magaling magluto si Stella. Magaling din siya magluto. I mean, masarap magluto si Stella din.
Go on, make us delicious. Make us jealous that you've eaten his food.
Alam niyo, nauubusan na ako recently ng mga TikTok, Meron ba kayong mga rito sa Discord? Suggestion for content. Alam mo, hindi ko nagagawa yung iba pala dito, no? New single na ni Jazz sa 29. Tama. Kaya kayo, manood kayo. Pantropiko. Is lang pantropiko.
So I wonder why he went live on
Punta kayo
this
dito sa Laguna. Okay, punta ako dito sa Laguna susunod para.
Why?
Every 4 years bang anniversary ni Ja? Ako ba tinanong nyo? Ako ba si Ja? Sira ulo talaga yun eh. Leap year pa talaga yung araw na yun talaga yung pinili niya, ha? Bahala na kayo. Di ko problema yung ganun na ginawa niya. Kayo na bahala mag-celebrate.
Savage.
Maganda dyan. Dagdagan nyo na ng ano. Ganun na yun. Dinagdagan yung February.
Jar day.
Yeah, pero ano, lip-handed daw kasi. Walang ya talaga kayo.
Like fans? Or like artists? Shake hands. I'm trying to read what it says on his shirt.
Josh, mag-vlog ka na ba ulit? Try ko po.
Please
Hirap
try.
din mag-vlog ah.
Oh, I'd love that. That was a really positive answer, and if he's saying that, that means he's actually doing
Alam mo,
it.
nagkaiba ng subscribers dito sa FB. Siguro magkaiba yung content. So, pinag-aaralan ko pa yung sa Discord kung ano yung mga pwedeng i-share at hindi.
This is TikTok.
Dito, more on TikTok contents talaga yung i-share ko. Random stuff. Doon, more on ibang bagay. Personal. Mas madali ko rin ma-share doon yung ano, yung mga links, pre-orders, ganyan, and stuff. Siguro, basically, magkaibang platform, magkaiba naman type of contents talaga.
Figure out where he is. Is he in the studio? First I thought he was in the car. Now I think he's in the studio. It looks like a studio.
Yeah, pero guys, gusto ko lang talaga mag thank you. Kaya rin ako nag-live today. Gusto ko magpasalamat. Isang taon na. Isang taon.
Oh, well, tonight?
Talagang iba din yung parang saya na nabigay nyo sa akin for syempre for you guys believing on the things that I can do. Tapos last year talaga hindi ko iniisip kung ano yung magugustuhan ng tao. Pero lagi ko iniisip yung gusto ko lang i-release, ganun. And up to now, ganun pa rin talaga yung paniniwala ko. Kung ano yung magpapasatisfy sa
your artistic need.
Siguro sa creativity ko. And syempre, yung mag-fulfill nung fuel as an artist. Pero kasama rin kayo lagi na okay, dahil alam mo yun, dahil sinusupport niyo ako. Pero naramdaman ko talaga na nag-evolve din ako throughout. Parang all throughout na parang sa lahat ng mga pinagdaanan natin. Kahit isang taon nga lang, isang taon pa lang yun.
I can't believe it's only been a year.
Sobrang thankful lang ako. Thankful. Thank you. Salamat sa pagsuporta patuloy. Don't worry. I'll make sure na yung mga susunod na ilalabas ko ay mas maganda talaga. As in mas maganda. Ako rin na-shock ako sa mga naisip ko na concepts tsaka plano.
Really?
It will never replace Pal Tonight. Pakiusap lang, sofa, get right. Siyempre, hindi matutumbasan yung mga babies ko na yan. Pero magle-level up talaga tayo.
I'm scared.
Kasi gusto ko lang talaga ibigay yung ano ko dun sa mga kanta na yun. Ipakita yung siguro yung mga laman ng utak ko.
That should be very interesting because I've noticed a change in him. He's a lot calmer.
Restock ng merch. I'm so sorry guys. Pero for Get Right merch, wala na siya. Hindi siya mag-restock. Those are all sold out. Mabilis lang talaga nauubos po ang merch. So next time na merong bagong sigurong new parang new set or new line, tama ba yung ko doon? Hindi line eh. Siguro yung parang mga siguro next season, ganun. Ba't sa dulo ng dila ako? Nalilimutan ko yung mga words recently Nagiging makakalimutin na ako.
That's not good.
Basta po pag may mga bago ng siguro releases ng merch ko. But of course, Get Right, tapos na siya. Siguro yung next release, it'll be sooner naman than the past releases. Mag-research and development pa din kasi kami, and aayusin na rin soon, pero kailangan muna unahin si Get Right. Tsaka inaayos pa namin pang merch na hindi na papadala.
I am so looking forward to the next step, him leveling up. What does that even mean?
See you sa April dito sa Japan. Yeah, we'll see you guys. We'll see you. Nalasing kagabi, ang galing katabi na. Yan yun.
Was it Ken singing this like constantly in his life?
New collection. Ayun, new collection. I'm so sorry. Naalala ko na, new collection. Josh, may defense kami. Pwede mag-offense ka. Ba't ka di-defense? Minsan kailangan mo rin mag-offense. Antok ka na ba? Antok na talaga ako. Pero hindi pa ako matutulog kasi sayang ang oras. Lagi naman ako naantok eh. Laro tayo Valorant. Laro tayo minsan sa server.
Just don't get ill.
Game na 1v1 Valorant, diba? Lalakas ng loob ah.
He should though, shouldn't he? Like just go straight up against 18.
Pag in-slide ko yung right foot, sasabay ka. Pag inangat ko yung sasabay ka.
He's starting to sound tired now.
Nasa SH ka ba mamaya? Oo nga pala, may station head tayo. So, ngayon, bala ko pumunta sa station head ng syempre ng DCS Digid. Check natin. Kung hindi nyo pa nakita yun, punta kayo ng stationhead.com tas ihawan sesh. Tama ba?
Please help me with this. I have station head. What do I need to do?
So, ayun po, mag-stream tayo doon for syempre, sa matulungan natin yung mga fan base, fan houses. So, ayun po, nakalimutan ko na dumaan doon, pero sobrang thankful ako sa lahat na nag-stream, nagpa-vote sa mga projects ko. Kaya ako mismo, gagalingan ko pa po talaga, promise. Para sa mga nasa Discord, send link daw. Hindi ko siya ata bubuksan dito, basta. Wait lang. Kunin ko kaya yung iPad ko.
Now I'm thinking, is he at home? Does he have a studio in his house? This is the thing, I'm learning all sorts of new stuff about Josh because I've not seen something like this from him before. This is different. He's very like chill. Hasn't thought about what he's gonna do. This is his way of like just relaxing.
Ayan, nandito ako. Ay, shoot.
What a great song. What a tune.
Paano to? Baka mamaya maling account na naman yung malagin ko.
I haven't heard a Pitbull song in so long.
Hindi, pinginayos lang ako. Wala pa rin ba ako dito? Antok na daw. Sorry, naglalag. Sorry. So as of now, di ako makalagin.
No.
Bali mamaya, ganito na lang. Lipat na lang ako ng station head. So, lipat ako ng station head. Lahat ng nasa TikTok, sa subscribers ko, sa Discord, and everyone. Doon tayo. Siguro punta ako ngayon. Siyempre, first year na ng Wild the Night. So punta ako doon. Punta ako ng station head after nito. So para sa mga mga nandito sa TikTok, pwede niyo pong tingnan yung station head ng Ihawan. Ihawan SH. So Iha 0, parang IHA 0.
I love this phonetic.
N for Nancy, E for Echo, and may S, Sierra, and
this is so cute.
Howard. Ano bang phonetics ng
Howard?
H?
I don't think it's Howard though, but I'm not judging. Do what you want to do. Howard. I used to know somebody called Howard.
Ha! Yun. So, punta kayo ng stationhead.com, Ihawanish. Ihawanish.
Cool.
Malapit na concert. Paano kami hindi alam yung station head? Pues, alamin nyo. Pues, alamin nyo. Hindi, ano siya?
It's really good. I love Station Head. I use
ang
it a lot
Station
for Big
Head
Bang.
po ay isang platform kung saan pwede tayo magsama-sama mag-stream. Dati rin hindi ko alam to. Partida. Hindi naman kasi syempre ganun naman focus ko, para more on
YouTube?
nasa ako creation and all stuff. Ang dami ko rin natututunan dahil sa mga 18 tsaka sa BBQs. So nandun po sa yung Ihawan, siya, dedicated streaming platform din ata siya. Parang pwede ka mag-sound trip doon at the same time na nakatulong ka sa stream ng artist na gusto nyo. So, every account na nandoon is counted to 1. So, kung 200 kayo or 300, isang stream nyo lang, 300 streams na agad yung madadagdag. Tapos pwede kayong mag-request na mga kanta doon.
Yeah, and people can DJ.
So ako, ginagawa ko, minsan nagpa-park lang ako.
That's what I do. It drains your battery though, a lot. I stop using it for a bit, but I will go back.
Ngayon, syempre, I feel you guys, baka nagsasawa rin kayo minsan sa mga music ko.
No?
So I plan to release more of my music.
Oh, but yes.
And
That would be good.
syempre, iba-iba naman ang taste, di ba? Pero I'm sure na magugustuhan niyo yung mga susunod na release ko. So, ayun po. I'll be going to the, siguro station head. Doon ko na lang ituloy yung pagkikipagkwentuhan. Tingnan natin kung merong host DJ. So, ayun po. Punta na lang ako doon. Bye-bye, guys. Tignan ko paglaro ako, pero ano muna, baka pass muna, pero titignan ko mamaya. I'll check. So, nandiyan naman kayo lagi. Sana. Bye-bye. Thank you.
Like a no-nonsense goodbye person. I'll take it.
Punta kayo sa Ihawan. Station head. Bye-bye.
I like this. This was really telling. Again, you get to see a little bit of his personality. He's similar to Ken in the sense that his answers to questions and to comments are a little bit more blunt to the point, and he's there to like have that direct communication. Whereas, like for instance, I'm not pitting anyone against anyone, but for instance, Stel will do a live and then he will entertain us, or he will get his creative juices flowing by performing for us, and like it's a show. Whereas I think that Josh is a little bit different. He came here with a purpose to say thank you for 1 year of Wild Tonight and to keep us excited, keep us engaged for what is coming up. I'm really excited, actually. How does he plan on leveling up on something that's already so perfect? I don't understand, but I am so ready for it. And it's interesting that he's calling these songs his babies, and obviously something has happened. Wasn't he learning to produce again or something? So yeah, he's been working very hard behind the scenes, and I look forward to whatever he is going to drop. This is exciting stuff. Now, I think I only need to watch Jar's lives, and then I would have seen lives from all of them, and hopefully they continue to do this because I'm really enjoying it. Thank you so much for recommending this to me and for watching it with me. This was great fun. Great to spend some time with this beauty, although he was tired, poor thing. And then after this, he went to Station Head, so it's not even like he got some shut-eye after this. But yes, thank you so much for watching this with me, and thank you so much once again for joining me on Chuck's live earlier. It was so much fun, and I'm looking forward to what we're all going to do in the future together. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I hope that you had fun, and until I see you next time, take care, stay safe, bye.